This video is about Dhatu Prayogah. Here, Lat Lakarah means present tense. Now, what is Dhatu? Dhatu means action. For example, Vad is Dhatu means to speak. From this Vad Dhatu, we form different verbs. For example, Vadati, Vadami, Avadat, etc. Now, dhatus are divided into 10 gana, that is group. Each gana has its specific symbol. Here we are going to see 1st, 4th, 6th and 10th gana. The first gana has symbol A. Vad dhatu is from first gana, that's why we add A, then it becomes Vada. Khad, Dhav, Khel, Pat, was. These are some dhatus from first gana. Now, fourth gana has vikaran ya. Nrut is dhatu of fourth gana. We add ya, it becomes nrutya. Kup, yud, nash, sneha are some dhatus from fourth gana. Now, sixth gana has again vikaran a. Lik is dhatu from sixth gana. We add a, it becomes likha. Kship, mil, sprush, dish are some dhatus from sixth gana. Now, 10th gana has vikaran aya. Puj plus aya, that ja becomes complete, is equal to pujaya. Now, some other dhatus. Kat, Gan, Rach and Varna. Now, after adding Vikaranam, that is symbol to Dhatu, we add suffixes. These Dhatu suffixes means Dhatu Pratyay are of three types. Parasmai Padam, Atmane Padam and Ubhaya Padam. Ubhaya Padam means both Parasmai Padam and Atmane Padam. After adding suffixes to dhatu, that dhatu becomes parasmaipadam, atmanepadam or ubhayapadam. Some parasmaipada dhatus are vad, nrut, lik, khad. Atmanepada dhatus are ram, vid, ruch, bhash. We cannot add parasmaipada pratyayas to atmanepada dhatus and vice versa. Now, Ubhayapada dhatus are puj, dish, etc. We can add both Parasmaipada and Atmanepada suffixes to puja dhatu, disha dhatu, etc. Before going to see Pratyaya, what is Lakara? Lakar term is used to denote tenses and moods. First letter is always la with different matras. For example, lat, lot, lung, etc. Lat is used for present tense. Now, parasmai pada pratyayaha of lat lakar means present tense are ti tah anti prathamah purushah, si thah tha madhyamah purushah, mi vaha maha uttamah purushah. Now, vada dhatu from first gana forms are वदति वदतः वदन्ति प्रथमः पुरुषः, वदसि वदथः वदथ मध्यमः पुरुषः, वदामि वदावः वदामः उत्तमः पुरुषः. We are adding vikaranam a to this dhatu. Now, fourth gana dhatu is nrut. We add ya to this dhatu. Nrutyati nrutyatah nrutyanti प्रथमः पुरुषः, नृत्यसि नृत्यथः नृत्यथ मध्यमः पुरुषः, नृत्यामि नृत्यावः नृत्यामः उत्तमः पुरुषः. Now, लिख धातु from sixth gana. लिखति लिखतः लिखन्ति प्रथमः पुरुषः, लिखसि लिखथः लिखथ मध्यमः पुरुषः, लिखामि लिखावः लिखामः उत्तमः पुरुषः. Puj dhatu from 10th gana. पूजयति, पूजयतः, पूजयन्ति प्रथमपुरुषः, पूजयसि, पूजयथः, पूजयथ मध्यमपुरुषः, पूजयामि, पूजयावः, पूजयामः उत्तमपुरुषः. Now here is shloka from Bhagavad Gita. नैनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनं दहति पावकः न चैनं क्लेदयन्त्यापो न शोषयति मारुतः. In this shloka, छिन्दन्ति, दहति, क्लेदयन्ति, शोषयति, these are verbs after adding parasmaipada suffixes to dhatus. So from such suffixes we can find out verbs from the shloka or stories. Now atmanepada pratyayaha of lat lakara. ते इते अन्ते प्रथमः पुरुषः, से इथे द्वे मध्यमः पुरुषः, ई वहे महे उत्तमः पुरुषः. Now वन्दधातु from first गण. वन्दते, वन्देते, वन्दन्ते प्रथमः पुरुषः, वन्दसे, वन्देथे, वन्दध्वे मध्यमः पुरुषः, वन्दे, वन्दावहे, वन्दामहे उत्तमः पुरुषः. Here in Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha Dvivachanam and Uttama Purusha Ekvachanam, when we add suffix starts with E, it becomes A, because A plus E becomes A. This A plus E is equal to A. This rule is applicable to all Atmanepada dhatus. Now Manadhatu from fourth Gana. मन्यते, मन्येते, मन्यन्ते प्रथमः पुरुषः, मन्यसे, मन्येथे, मन्यध्वे मध्यमः पुरुषः, मन्ये, मन्यावहे, मन्यामहे उत्तमः पुरुषः. Now you can see A. लज्ज धातु from sixth गण. लज्जते, लज्जेते, लज्जन्ते प्रथमः पुरुषः, लज्जसे, लज्जेथे, लज्जध्वे मध्यमः पुरुषः, लज्जे, लज्जावहे, लज्जामहे उत्तमः पुरुषः. Again पूज धातु from 10th गण. पूज धातु is ubhayapadam, so we can add parasmaipadam or atmanepadam suffixes. Forms are पूजयते, पूजयेते, पूजयन्ते प्रथमः पुरुषः, पूजयसे, पूजयेथे, पूजयध्वे मध्यमः पुरुषः, पूजये, पूजयावहे, पूजयामहे उत्तमः पुरुषः. भजे, वन्दे, such words come in many shloka and stotra. These words are of Atmanepadi dhatu. Now you can easily get present tense with the help of these suffixes. Thank you.